here's a good water pump I'm gonna put on. You can see right here the plastic around here is totally even with this casing. See how this one's ate up? It's got a broken propeller here, broken propeller here, broken here, broken here, broken here. Okay, that's because that outside, this bearings when they're shot, and this is going up and down like that, riding on this, and the housing inside the motor, it rides on that housing in there. In here, it don't ride properly, and it rides up in here. So this is all the shit from the bearings, metal, and then it leaks down in there and in the oil. So put a new water pump, put her back together, and she'll be good to go today.